I'm gonna cut down this tree using this sledgehammer. Fighting back. Don't do this at home. Break one. All right, sorry guys. I had to get me something to drink. This is a softwood, so it'll probably go down pretty quick. And before you go, oh, it's a softwood, it's not that hard. I'm still cutting down a tree with a sledgehammer. So, you know. Looks like, looks like a beaver got to it. Break two. Break two. Break three. Break three. Probably shouldn't have ate before I did this, but hey, you know, hindsight's 20/20, so. All right, I'm gonna call it for today and yeah, pick up tomorrow. Alrighty, day two. It's a whole lot colder and windier today, so sorry if you hear that at all. Let's get started. Subscribe. Oh my gosh, and comment. Break four. Let's do this. Woo! Break five, break five. Let's get to it. Oh man. Okay, I did make it pretty far, but my camera's almost dead, so I'm gonna stop here and pick up back tomorrow. Here's where I'm at right now. Alrighty, day three. It should come down today. No idea how it's still standing. Oh, timber! Oh man, well, it's stuck, it's not coming down. Thanks for watching the video. Oh man, subscribe.